Innova, the industry leader in diagnostic tools and equipment for the past 30 years, is now offering Repair Solutions, an incredible online service aimed to help you diagnose, repair, and maintain your vehicle. Premium members on Repair Solutions will have access to verified fixes provided by actual factory-trained technicians, step-by-step instructions to help guide you through the repair process, and even how-to videos to demonstrate each repair. For more information, please visit us at Innova.com.
My name is Mark, and what we have here is a 2007 Jeep Patriot. We have a headlight bulb that's bad and a taillight bulb that's bad. What we're going to do is check our headlight bulb. We want to check to make sure the wiring and everything's all good. It could be a short at that area. The bugs can get to it, rats can eat it. The stoplight, we're going to check that wire back there also. There's no scheduled maintenance for a headlight bulb or any of the bulbs in particular, whether it be a dash bulb, taillight, churn, or anything. When they go bad, they just go bad. And it's always a great idea to change them both at the same time. So if you change one turn signal bulb, change the other one. Headlight bulb, like we're going to be doing today, we change the other one. There's only about a life expectancy of these, about 350 to 400 hours. So let's get started. So before we actually remove our headlight socket bulb and our headlight bulb, what we want to do is we want to make sure that it's actually connected. This one here is connected. We want to make sure that the wires are not frayed or have any heavy corrosion on them. We want to look down as far as you possibly can, and this looks pretty good. Sometimes when a vehicle gets in an accident, it could actually pinch the wires somewhere down the frame where we can't see. In this case, it doesn't look like there's been any accidents and the bulb wire and everything looks good. So let's go ahead. We're going to actually twist our bulb out. Just rotate it. We're going to bring it up here. One of the most important things is when replacing our bulb, we don't want to touch the glass part itself. That could cause premature bulb failure. There's a little tiny lock tab on the bottom of this, and what we want to do is just take a flat-bladed screwdriver and pull that lock tab out. Then we're going to press our little tab and pull our bulb out. Now we can insert our replacement bulb. Again, do not touch the glass part. So what we're going to do is insert the bulb, push in our lock tab. We're going to reinsert our bulb into our headlight housing, twist and lock. Now we can go ahead and inspect our other side. So the first thing that we want to do is we have some push pins right here. We want to take a flat-bladed screwdriver and actually pry them up out of there, and then we'll be able to pull the whole taillight out. So let's go ahead. Now we're going to be able to remove the taillight housing. We'll be able to get to our bulbs. We want to make sure that we're replacing the right one. So it's here. We're going to remove just by turning the bulb. We're actually going to pull it out. We want to make sure that we match up the bulb numbers, because what happens is, even though they look the same, they can be a completely different number and not work. Again, if possible, we don't actually want to touch this glass part. We want to match up our bulb numbers. Just double check, make sure everything looks good. We're going to just push it back in there, like so. Twist in, turn, and reassemble. Push pins, push them in flat. Now what we'll do is the same on the other side, and we'll check our brake lights. So there you have it, how simple it really was. Now, all we got to do is check the operation. You know, there's a couple reasons why we want to change the bulbs as soon as possible. One is that you can get a ticket. And when checking the bulbs, make sure the high beams and the low beams work. We're going to walk around the back and check our tail lights also. I'm sure they work. Everything looks great.
Visit us at Innova.com and subscribe to Repair Solution Services.